Nobody wants to hear this, but budgeting alone will never make you wealthy. Budgets matter. They keep you out of trouble. But they have a ceiling, and most people never figure out what's above it. Everyone treats budgeting like the whole solution. Track every dollar, cut every expense, live on as little as possible. Yes, that discipline helps, but budgeting only controls what you already have. It doesn't create more. You can be perfectly frugal and still be broke. There's a floor to how low you can cut. There's no ceiling on how much you can earn. Here's what most financial advice misses. It obsesses over spending less. Almost none of it teaches you how to earn more. Sure, skip a $5 coffee every day and save about $1,800 a year. Feels good, feels responsible, but it's not life-changing. Adding one income stream is one skill that pays more, one side hustle that scales, one small investment that compounds. Those are the moves that change your financial trajectory. Not skipping lattes, not canceling Netflix, not tracking every dollar until you burn out. Budgeting is the floor, not the ceiling. Most people spend all their energy protecting the floor and never look up. So do the basics. Budget, track, cut what doesn't serve you. Then look up. Find ways to earn more, build things that grow. Wealth isn't built by spending less. It's built by creating more.